Mount Fuji station and then went out and asked about Mount Fuji, going to Mount Fuji bus or train. The supervisor at ticket office said so there is a bus at 2 o'clock. So she told me to go to Mishima, that is back towards Tokyo. So now I'm going towards Mishima, next stop. So from there buses are very frequent. So that's why I'm going to Mishima in the gate. So I got down at this from this train. So at Mishima station. So now I have to take a bus. So I'm just going down. I will put my suitcase in a locker, automatic coin locker. So then I will search for the bus. So this is another Kodama train going to Shin Osaka. So this train I will take from this place in the evening. If time is there, I will go to Nagoya or I will go directly to Osaka in this Kodama train. So this is green car. Green car means first class. See how Nozomi trains are going. Super fast bullet train. They will not stop here. So only Kodama stop. This train to Tokyo is leaving now. So doors will close in any minute. This train number 716 you can see going to Tokyo. This is a reserved green car, means reserved first class. See, they don't stop. So when the time is up, so it is now 12:54 Kodama. So next train it is showing, but now the time is 12:54. So it is, yeah, it is going this way. So let me record for this. Let me record this for a minute till it disappears from my mobile screen. I have a bus at 1:20. So just now I spoke to one guy from Pune. So he has reserved bus at 1:50. So I will take the bus at 1:20. So from platform exit number 2 to Kawaguchi. This is bullet train. Let me record one more train going to Shin Osaka. This is Kodama. So whole day we can see them, we can walk, we can record them. It is feast to the sun. See, so these are the train they are available to always help. So I was asking how to take exit and where are the lockers. So they are very helpful. Arigato, thank you. So after getting down here at Mishima station, I have met one couple from Hyderabad. So they are coming from. I asked them where they are going to going to Mount Fuji, towards Mount Fuji. They said, yeah, they are returning from Mount Fuji. So they said it is zero visibility, Mount Fuji. So that's why I'm just going back to Shin Osaka. I'm going to Shin Osaka. I have reserved my seat here. Window seats are not available, but anyhow, if I get into the train, I can take a window seat. So I have bought tickets for 146 train to Shin Osaka from this Mishima station. So I have some 30 minutes, so 40 minutes, so I can spend or I can take my lunch here in the restaurant here. So yeah, this is 513, train number 513. It is very fast. So other train is 155 is very slow. So that's why I have reserved a seat here. So using my JR pass. So this is my ticket. So one Japanese guy helped me to, machine was giving some errors, so Japanese guy helped me. So this is Mishima station. So where we have to take a bus to Kawaguchiko. So but today I'm not going because I heard that it is full of mist, so we can't see Mount Fuji from this train. So I'm just going there for 2 hours and coming back 2 hours is waste of time. So I'm going to Osaka. So I will put my luggage there, and then I will see. I will plan accordingly. So I'm just changing my plan. So I'm going to Osaka now. So at 1:46, I have one samosa and one onion bhaji, two onion bhajis from yesterday night dinner. So I will just finish off them and go to. And this time I am taking Hikari train. So Hikari is a bit faster compared to Kodama. So, but not like Nozomi. But this is like I am reaching 1 hour earlier than Kodama. So that's why I have selected this train. So this is Hikari. So So now, till now I was traveling by Kodama. So this is a different train. It is Hikari, you can see. 513 train number at 146 platform. So it is going to Okayama. So track 5. So it stops at, yeah, everything is mentioned in Japanese and English. So I was sitting here till now in this sitting room rest. So now time to go back to platform. So I was sitting here and having samosa and onion bhaji, which I brought from yesterday. So in this store I have bought orange juice and water. So now I am going back to station. So 146 is my train. So I have to go towards Shin-Osaka. You can see platform 5. So you can see Nagoya, Shin-Osaka, Shin-Yokohama. So this is platform 5. So I will go this way. So this way is I can see escalator. So that way there is no escalator. So I am going towards. So Shin-Osaka. So current time is 1:40. So train number 1513 is at 1:46. Platform 5 or track 5 it is called. So my car is 6. Now you can see this car is 10. So I have to go further down. So car 6 and wait in the queue if any queue is there. So definitely queue will be there.
Please do not stand or place your belongings on the yellow tactile
Car is
seating blocks
6
in
and the seat is 3.
These are passageways for
That
visually
means in the
impaired
middle seat.
customers.
I have done a mistake. I would have taken either seat D because window seats are not available. Window seats were A and D were not available. When window seats are not available in Shinkansen trains, either we have to take seat C, that is aisle, or we have to take seat D, that is also aisle. But never ever take seat B because seat B is in the middle of aisle and windows. So that mistake I have done. So next time I should be careful. So I have to sit. But there will be some empty seats. That is Nozomi.
The Hikari bound for Okayama will arrive soon. This train also stops at Nagoya, Kyoto, and Shin-Osaka. Non-reserved seats are in cars 1 to 5. If you put your hands or camera outside the fence, the train will make an emergency stop. Please stay inside the yellow line as it is dangerous. The Hikari bound for Okayama will arrive soon. This train also stops at Nagoya, Kyoto, and Shin-Osaka. Non-reserved seats are in cars 1 to 5.
My train is coming, Hikari 513 to Osaka, Shin-Osaka. So I have to go
最
here.
後岡山駅お客様の乗り降り終わりますとすぐに発車いたします。扉開きましたら車内中ほどへとお進みください。
This is Hikari.
ご乗車の際は足元をご注意ください。
My car
お
is
子
6.
様とは手をつないでご乗
My
車をお願い
seat
いた
is
します。
3B.
トラックナンバー5 Arriving Trains 光
In the middle.
513 bound for 岡山。
So this is 6. This is 6. So this is Hikari.
Number 1 through 5.
So I have to check for my seat 3.
Step into your
So it is
row
going, it
and
is
allow
starting.
the passage for next
People are yet to
passengers.
settle, but they will not wait because this is
The next stop
Shinkansen
is
train,
Shizuoka.
bullet train. So they have to maintain strict timetable, follow strict timetable. Otherwise, people will not get into bullet trains.
Once again, once you find your seat, please step into your row and allow the passage to
3B,
for
3B
next
here.
passengers. Thank you.
This is Nagoya, center of Japan. There is a Nagoya University, a big city, and it is center. Nozomi train stop here. Nagoya, Kyoto, they stop in Osaka.
名古屋でお降りのお客様、お忘れ物なさいませんよう、シートポケットや棚の上、座席周りなどをもう一度ご確認ください。新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。まもなく名古屋
You
で
can
す。
see very big
足元にご
city.
注意ください。出口は左側です。We are approaching Nagoya Station. The exit will be on the left side. There will be a short stop at next Nagoya Station. Passengers who are exiting, please prepare for leaving the train and make sure you have all your belongings with you.
Nozomi train going.
This train is
This is local train.
service to Okayama. After leaving this Nagoya, we'll be stopping at Kyoto. Thank you.
We will soon make a brief stop at Nagoya. Passengers going to the Tokaido, Chuo, Kansai, Meitetsu, Kintetsu, Aonami, and subway lines, please change trains here at Nagoya. We will depart shortly after arriving at Nagoya, so please be ready to get off before the train stops. Thank you.
Nagoya skyline. Nagoya station. I have been seeing YouTube videos about Nagoya from past 1 year, 1.5 years. So today I am just passing through the station. So I will come back tomorrow or day after to Nagoya and spend some time here in the city. So you can see platform 15 and 14, there are trains going to Tokyo, Shizuoka in Tokyo. See, the bullet train, Nozomi, I think. Nagoya continued. Bullet train, Nozomi. Nagoya continued. Bullet train, Nozomi. ఇది Kyoto, biggest city, former capital of Japan. So before Tokyo, cultural city, beautiful city.
京都です。東海道線、山陰線、湖西線、奈良線と近鉄線、地下鉄線はお乗り換えです。今日も新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。京都を出ますと次は新大阪に停まります。
Kyoto station. Kyoto. Leaving Kyoto. So next stop is Shinosaka, where I have to get down and stay there for 4 nights. Kyoto will come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So tomorrow I will go to Hiroshima because I have a pass. So I have to utilize that and go travel long distance. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow are the only 2 days I have only I can utilize JR bus. So after that 4th, 5th and 6th I just spend time in local Osaka. So I can use my Suka card and explore Osaka. So I can travel to short distance like Kyoto. It is only 15-20 minutes from Osaka. I just got down from this train, so now I have to look for the metro or bus metro maybe to go to my hostel in Osaka. So this is for 4 nights in Osaka. So from here I will try to cover Kobe, Kyoto, Hiroshima, so other cities. Possible I will go to Tokyo for a day because I have a pass and I want to experience this on a train. So I can take Nozomi, but I have to pay like 4,500 extra per Nozomi, so I am not interested. So this is a small shop here. I will take something to eat, feeling hungry, and then proceed, wait for here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then I will look for my hotel, how to reach my hotel, directions for my hotel. So this is Hikari, so 513 going to Yokohama. So Yokohama, and it will stop at Shin Kobe and Okayama. So Okayama. So this is Nozomi coming, it is going to Hakata. So it only stops at Osaka and Nagoya, like important cities. So this is Nozomi. So this is not covered under JR pass. So if I want to travel on this train, I have to pay like 4,500 yen from Osaka to Tokyo. So that is almost like 2,500 rupees apart from my pass. So this is Nozomi, fastest in this route, Tokaido route. So Nozomi is very famous in Japan and all over the world. Nozomi 37 going to Hakata. This is the shop. Costa Bento, she is just waiting. No one is there, so I am going to buy something from the shop. So I have to take this subway Meadows Zoo line, so towards Tennoji. So it is 9 stops. So it takes around 35-40 minutes. So I am going to take this subway now, subway line. So I don't know whether Suga card is accepted or not. I have Suga, so let me check with the ticket counters. So this is another train, bullet train. So for today, bullet trains are finished. Then I have to take metro train and go to hostel. You can see left is subway line. There is train in 4 minutes, but I don't want to hurry because there will be another train in 5-10 minutes. So I will take brief rest 5-10 minutes, go to washroom and to wash my face, and then I proceed. See, you can see subway Meadows Suji line. So they have mentioned like red paint, red stickers. So just we need to follow this. So you can see JR line is a blue line. So going opposite way. So this you can see the arrow marks. So I have to take this way. So this is Osaka station. Shin Osaka means only Shinkansen trains, bullet trains, nothing else. So some lines are connected my underground. So I have to take left here. So then I have to take escalator. So you can see the boards. So all Shinkansen lines. So just we will go and see. No need to rush. So you can see Nozomi super fast. Nozomi 422, 421 Tokyo, 430 Tokyo, 439 Tokyo, 445, 556. See the frequency. Just 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Okay. 6 minutes. 15 minutes. 6 minutes. So that is the frequency of bullet trains in Japan. So this is Ikari. You can see the frequency 418, 448. They are all going to Tokyo, but with stops, more stops than Nozomi. 454. That is the Hikari one. I took from. I took to come here to Osaka like 2 hours. So that is this is for Okayama, Hakata, and Kagoshima. So tomorrow I am planning to go this side, Hiroshima, Kagoshima, Hakata. So all these places. So is it better? I will go and check if I can make a reservation, seat reservation for tomorrow. Okay. So this is the fare adjustment. So I have made a video yesterday about fare adjustment. He's making some cakes, pastries. So we can see from this glass. So how it's making. It's Japanese way of making sweets or cakes. So this is a Japanese bakery. So not even name is there in English. So it is open from 10 to 9. That one thing only I can see, and it is totally 100% Japanese. So we can't even see English alphabets anywhere except opening timings. They look like donuts, but I'm not sure. So people are taking in packets, small packets. So 3, 4. This is another one. This is a mold. This is a paste, and these are the breads. So I have to take this way. It shows Subway Meadows Suji line, second floor, 210 meters. So I have to take that. So there are also airport bus, taxi left side, expressway bus there, car, restrooms. So everything is, they have clearly displayed. So these are the shops. And I have reserved tickets for tomorrow to go to Hiroshima. So leaving the around Osaka around 9:30 p.m. Sorry, 9:30 a.m. And I return from Hiroshima around 5 o'clock. So I reach here by 6:30. have taken two maple, two waffles. One is maple one and one is almond one. They are very nice. It is 160 yen per piece. So, but they are very nice, yummy. So, see the shops. So, Osaka is nothing less than Tokyo. So I have spent like 20-30 minutes here because I wanted to book tickets. So I can use this escalator to go to subway. See, clearly mentioned as subway, second floor. So I have to take this. So it is 140 meters from here. So I just stop for here. The Suga card I have taken in Tokyo is valid here in Osaka Metro. So I'm just have to take train at platform number 1. The guy in the ticket counter told me. So your train looks like train is already here. So yes, beautiful red color. So this is platform number 1. So I'm taking this train to go to towards Tennoji. So to go to my hostel. So every day I can use this for next 4 days. To go to hostel and come from hostel.
Nakamozu via Tennoji.
Tennoji, yeah, Tennoji. So I have to go to Tennoji. So I don't want to spend time on cabs, money on cabs because it is expensive. So second biggest city in Japan. Down at next stop.
2号出口南へ約4分時計販売買取の米田屋へお越し
Depart from this beautiful red color train, metro train in Osaka. So now I have to walk for 200 meters as per Google. So then I can reach my hostel. So with public transport I can reach my hostel. No need to spend money on taxis. So public transport is very convenient and very efficient. You can see Osaka Metro. So this is stop number M22 on this line. It took just maybe 15-20 minutes. So there is also one more line here, Sakai Suji line. So as per Google, I have to take this exit number 2 and I have to walk for 200 meters and then my hotel will come. So that's what Google says. Let me see. So this is the gate, exit 2 from where I came. So now I have to check, like it says 200 meters. I don't know whether these 200 meters are backside. I will check. So this is Osaka city. So I can also see Tennoji Zoo, Tennoji Park. So I can spend time on day after tomorrow. Not day after tomorrow, on 5th and 6th, because tomorrow 3rd and 4th I am busy. I have to use Shinkansen lines and go to Kyoto, Kobe, Hiroshima and hotel. So without any taxi help or with only public transport, it looks very nice with 6 floors. So this is Hotel Mikado. So now for next 4 nights. So this is the abode for me. So I hope I enjoy my stay here, hopefully, because it says I have a single room but small. It's fine, I am only one person, so I want to travel. So hello, I got a reservation. So these are the rooms. They are looking better than my hostel because it's a separate room. So mine is 401. So I have to go this way. I have last room, corner, excellent. So I get a view, maybe city view. So let me see. Yeah, 401. They have given me key. Beautiful, excellent Japanese style room. So I can sleep on the floor So this is totally Japanese style. So 4 nights I can enjoy here. So excellent room with fridge, small fridge, mini fridge, working table, so towel, napkin, so everything, duvet or pillow, everything they have given, hangers. So I have found one Indian restaurant just 200 meters from my hotel. This is Namaste Lumbini Asian Dining, Bansagar. So this is Nepalese, but it's open, and Nepalese means all Indian food. So I'm happy for next 4 days I can eat here. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.